Ready to plunge into the shadowy depths of sound and learn how to craft dark progressive techno that will move the masses? First, let's conjure a brooding atmosphere, starting with a dark, evolving pad sound. Experiment with wavetable synths, layering detuned oscillators and adding subtle chorus or phaser effects to create movement and depth. Next, we'll sculpt a distorted bassline that will punch through the mix. Use a combination of overdrive, saturation, and a touch of fuzz to add grit and aggression, but be sure to carve out space in the low end with precise EQ cuts to avoid muddiness. Now for the hypnotic rhythm, use a driving kick drum as your foundation. Layered with processed hi-hats and percussive elements, experiment with rhythmic delays and subtle reverb to create a sense of space and depth, pulling the listener in. Arrangement is key. Build tension gradually with long, evolving soundscapes and sparse percussion. Then unleash the full force of your bassline and drums during the drop, using automation to create dynamic shifts and keep the energy flowing. Finally, master your track for maximum impact. Use a limiter to bring up the overall loudness, but be careful not to overcompress the sound, retaining the dynamic range and punch, ensuring your track sounds massive on any sound system. That's how you craft dark progressive techno. Now go forth, experiment, and create soundscapes that are both intense and captivating. Until next time, happy producing.